Howdy folks, this is going to be my first project for YouTube. We're looking at the Stihl FS56C weed whacker. Now you'll notice that the bicycle handlebars on this are not able to fold. Unlike its big brother, the FS90, which has a knob that you can turn so that you can fold that handle down and stow it away without taking up a tremendous amount of space. Now the engineers at Stihl, they could not figure out how to put a handle like that onto the FS56. So this position ends up being normal, standard and permanent, because if you want to change it, you have to take these T27 Starb screws and undo them every time, which is of course ridiculous. So today we're going to look at a project to make that a little more useful. And I'll come back and we'll talk about it some more. So the plan is I have these M6 45 millimeter handles, and I want to space them so that they, when they're engaging with the threads at the bottom, there's still enough clearance for it to clear this bike handle. And to do that, I'm going to use these 5 millimeter M6 spacers. Okay, so this handle, one of the spacers actually went inside there. So in order for this to work, we're going to do 2 on that one, and then I'll need 2 on this other one. So my plan is that I would leave these 2 permanently on there and just have to loosen these. And so as you can see, whoop, there you go, I moved it too well. As you can see, the handle does swivel by having taken those 2 screws out. It's taken enough of that force off of there. Now we're going to tighten these. And voila, we now have an easy way to fold these bicycle handles down for only a few dollars. Again, M635 is the original screw size, and just replace them with M6 45 millimeter handles and some 5 millimeter M6 spacers. Have fun. Maybe if some of the guys from Stihl see this, they might come up with some ideas on how to design it from the OEM this way. Have a great day. Hope you enjoyed this.